Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I recently came across a brand new AI tool called AI ReviewShorts. And this one is very different from the usual AI video creators you've seen before. So in this video, I'm going to break down what AI ReviewShorts is, how it works, the exact features you get inside, the pricing, and why so many creators are getting amazing results with this format, okay? So let's jump into it. So what exactly is AI ReviewShorts? AI ReviewShorts is the first ever AI-powered app that can instantly turn any product link into a high-converting product demo or review video within just a few minutes. You don't need to record yourself or show your face or learn video editing. The tool does everything automatically, making it perfect for creators, beginners, and affiliate marketers who want to publish review videos fast and consistently. The platform is designed to help you rank on YouTube and also go viral on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok without chasing trends or spending hours editing. With its built-in SEO engine, AI ReviewShorts optimizes your titles, tags, and descriptions automatically so your videos get discovered on YouTube and Google by real buyers searching for products. One of the biggest advantages is the first mover opportunity. This strategy is still new and untapped, meaning you can get in early and rank faster and dominate search results while most creators are still focusing on generic content that doesn't drive sales. AI ReviewShorts also enables hands-free video creation. You simply paste a product link and the AI writes the script, selects visuals, adds voiceover, creates the scenes, inserts captions, adjusts pacing, and produces a fully edited short video ready to publish. It's built to trigger social media algorithms so your videos can explode in reach across short-form platforms. Then, another powerful benefit is that the traffic you get is intent-driven. These aren't random scrollers, these are people actively searching for the product you reviewed, which means higher conversions and more sales. Plus, the tool works in 100+ languages, allowing your videos to go viral globally and reach massive untapped audiences. The system is beginner-proof, so anyone can use it without technical skills. And to make things even easier, you also get step-by-step training that teaches you how to scale results quickly. With the included commercial license, you can even sell videos to clients, agencies, and businesses, and keeping all your profits. In short, AI ReviewShorts is a complete automatic video creation system that helps you generate traffic, views, and sales, all without recording, editing, or burning out. Okay? Now, let's discuss how AI ReviewShorts actually works. So, AI ReviewShorts makes the entire process of creating viral, rank-ready product review and demo videos incredibly simple. It works in just 3 straightforward steps, even if you've never created a single video before. First, you start by pasting any product link, whether it's from Amazon, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or any other marketplace. The AI instantly scans the page and pulls out the real selling points, benefits, and angles that buyers care about. This ensures your video is built around the exact elements that actually convert. Then, once the link is added, the AI takes over completely. In a matter of seconds, it writes a full script, selects visuals, adds captions, generates a voiceover, and creates the entire product review or demo video for you. There's no need to film yourself, no need to show your face or learn video editing. The entire video is produced automatically, ready to publish. After your video is created, all you have to do is upload it to your favorite platform: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or anywhere else. Because of the way these videos are structured, they rank fast, go viral easily, and attract real buyer traffic daily. AI ReviewShorts helps your content reach people who are already searching for the products you're reviewing, which means higher clicks and more sales. It truly is that simple. With AI ReviewShorts, you don't need to deal with confusing AI tools, complicated editing, or endless content hacks that never deliver results. You create like a pro with just one link, one click, and one upload. And once your videos start ranking and going viral, you keep getting views, traffic, and sales even while you're offline. Okay? So, if you want to check out the AI ReviewShorts tool for yourself, then the link is in the description. Click that link and you'll automatically redirect to their official page. All right? Now that you know exactly what AI ReviewShorts does and how it works, let's move into the part that matters most: The features. So, AI Review Shorts comes packed with powerful features designed to make product review and demo video creation effortless, fast, and highly profitable. First, the platform includes an instant review maker, where you simply paste any product link and the system automatically generates a complete review short. It pulls visuals, highlights key benefits, extracts selling points, and builds a ready-to-publish video, helping you create consistent content without manual editing while increasing your organic reach and affiliate clicks. Then, for creators who want speed, the quick mode allows you to generate a full, viral-ready review video in just 30 seconds. This mode auto-creates your script, captions, avatar, and layout using proven conversion presets, enabling you to publish multiple videos per day. It's perfect for dominating YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok with high-frequency posting. Then, if you want more customization, the custom mode gives you total creative control without needing editing skills. You can adjust scripts, avatars, pacing, scenes, branding, and layouts through a simple drag-and-drop interface, making your videos feel unique and premium while boosting trust and engagement. Then, the platform also includes a smart duration selector, allowing you to choose between 15-second, 30-second, or 60-second videos. The AI automatically restructures your script for maximum impact based on your selected length, giving you shorter videos for viral reach and longer ones for stronger persuasion. Then, with its multi-language engine, AI Review Shorts also lets you create videos in 12+ global languages, including English, Spanish, German, Portuguese, Dutch, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese, helping you reach untapped international audiences and earn commissions worldwide. Then to maximize conversions, the tool uses an AI review script formula built around hook, problem, benefits, verdict, CTA. This proven persuasive structure keeps viewers watching, builds trust fast, and drives more clicks that give even complete beginners the same conversion framework top affiliates use. Then, you can also choose from 200+ avatars covering different styles, niches, and ethnicities that allow you to stay faceless while building a consistent content brand. Then, along with avatars, the system offers 50+ professional influencer-style voices, giving your videos a polished, influencer-quality sound that improves credibility and viewer engagement. Okay, now, along with the core features I just covered, AI Review Shorts also includes many more powerful features that make the entire process even easier. There are several advanced options listed on the official website, so if you want to explore every single feature in detail, you can check them out there. This ensures you know exactly what you're getting and how much value the platform actually provides. All right? Now, the big question is, how much does it cost? And honestly, this is the part that surprises most people, because despite offering so many advanced tools, it's currently available at a one-time price, especially with the ongoing limited-time offer. So, let's quickly break down the pricing options you get today. So, AI Review Shorts is currently offering two main plans, the Premium plan and the highly recommended All Access Pass. Both are one-time payments, meaning you don't deal with monthly fees, and both come with a free commercial license. First, the Premium plan includes everything you need to start creating review videos fast. You get the Instant Review Maker, 300 welcome credits, and the ability to create up to 100 review campaigns per month. This plan gives you access to 200+ human AI avatars, 50+ professional influencer-style voices, and review videos up to 60 seconds long. You also get Quick Mode, Custom Mode, the Smart Duration Selector, 12+ languages, AI script formulas, auto captions, smart music, AI hook creation, SEO optimization tools, real-time editing, and one-click downloads. Okay? Then, the most popular option on the website is the All Access Pass labeled as the Smart Choice, and it's easy to see why 90% of buyers choose it. This plan unlocks the full power of AI Review Shorts. You get 2,500 welcome credits, the ability to create 1,000 review campaigns per month, and access to over 1,000+ avatars and 100+ voices. It also extends your video length to 120 seconds, giving you more room for deeper selling. Along with every feature from the premium plan, the All Access Pass includes all upgrades such as AI Review Shorts Pro Edition, Review Clone Edition, AI Review Shorts Agency, Click Agent Extreme, VO Profit Academy Extreme, and all exclusive bonuses from each upgrade. The total value is listed as $645, but for today only, you can get it for a discounted price of $357, one time. So, if you want the best value, the All Access Pass clearly delivers the most features, the highest limits, and every upgrade included, all for a heavily discounted one-time payment. Okay?
Now, AI Review Shorts doesn't just offer powerful features and affordable pricing. It also comes with complete peace of mind. So let's quickly talk about the guarantee that makes your purchase 100% risk-free. When you invest in AI Review Shorts, you're not taking any chances. The creators fully stand behind their product because they know the kind of results it can bring to your business, whether it's more traffic, more content, or more sales. They've made it completely risk-free for you. If at any point you feel that AI Review Shorts isn't delivering the value you expected, you're protected by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Just contact their support team within 30 days of your purchase, and you'll receive a full refund, no questions asked. This means you can try it, test it, use it, and experience the results with total peace of mind. Your investment is completely safe, okay? So don't wait. Click the link in the description and explore its features and secure your access today while this deal is still live, all right? So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI and marketing videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.